Welcome to the Financial Jungle. This is Sharekhan Podcast.
Hello everyone, welcome to yet another interesting IPO Flash podcast by Sharekhan. Let's explore the latest IPO, Hiranba Industries Limited. Kindly note this is an informational piece on IPO which is based on the RHP filed by the company with SEBI and not a recommendation. Hiranba Industries Limited, incorporated on March 1792, is a crop protection chemical manufacturer, exporter and marketing company based in Vapi, Gujarat. Hiranba operates across the entire value chain of agri-chemicals industry, that is, intermediates, technicals and formulations. Its pesticides range includes insecticides, herbicides, fungicides and public health products for pest control. Talking about the key business vertical and segment-wise breakup as on first half FY21, domestic institutional sales of technicals form 33% of revenue, while technicals export form 32%. The branded formulation contributes to around 23% of the revenue, while formulation exports contributes 9%. The public health contributes 3% of the total revenue. About the geographical revenue breakup, 59% of revenue comes from India and overseas contributes 41%. Some key highlights of the company are: company has a presence in wide range of products across the entire value chain of synthetic pyrethroids. Its international distribution partners have obtained registration for 371 technicals and formulations in 41 countries. It has 3 manufacturing and packaging facilities in and around Vapi, Gujarat, with 174 reactors having an aggregate manufacturing capacity of 14,024 MTPA. The company has a parcel of land measuring around 34,600 square meters, which can be used for further expansion when required. Hiranba has more than 9,400 dealers distributors supported by their 21 stock depots across 16 states and 1 union territory in the country in order to meet the demand of products from farmers. Company's promoters have more than 30 years of individual experience in the agrochemical sector. Now we look at the key concern areas. The company does not have a long-term agreement with any of its raw material suppliers. Increasing cost of raw material, expiry of patents for various molecules, any seasonal and climatic variations, and any government policy changes on agriculture may have effect on production and sales volume. The launch of product depends upon the company's ability to obtain timely registration. On valuation front, at IPO price of Rs 626 to 627 per share, the offer is valued at 25.7 to 25.6 its FY20 earning per share. Hiranba Industries posted strong performance in first half FY21 with revenues growing by 23% and operating profits growing by 31% year-on-year. The reported PAT grew by 24.5% year-on-year to Rs 66 crores in first half FY21. At an annualized PAT of Rs 133 crore, the IPO is trading at 18.9 FY21 earning per share. Hiranba has a strong earning track record with 44% PAT CAGR over 2018 to 20 and return on equity of more than 30%. Given Hiranba's strong market share of 19.5% in Indian pyrethroids, focus on new product registration and exports is expected to drive sustained earnings growth. The issue opens on February 23 and closes on February 25. The price band of the public issue has been fixed at Rs 626 to 627 per share of the face value of Rs 10. Investors can bid for a minimum of 23 equity shares and in the multiples of 23 equity shares thereafter. For more details, disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our IPO note on Hiranba Industries Limited or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure documents issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.